This is a Leonberger. It's a giant working breed known for its gentle temperament, impressive size, and luxurious coat. Weighing in at a colossal 130 pounds, this majestic female Leonberger walks in like she owns the place. Today's clip-in, we will be keeping it to a minimum, allowing us to maintain the natural look as requested by the client. The breed is believed to be a cross between Newfoundlands, St. Bernards and Great Pyrenees, combining their size, strength and gentle nature. Earlier Leonbergers were popular among European nobility, including Napoleon and the Prince of Wales. Today's grooming will take over 3 hours. The bathing and drying will take up most of this time. The Leonberger's coat has high waterproof properties. While not completely waterproofed, their medium-long double coat consists of a dense, soft undercoat and a coarser outer coat that naturally repels water to some extent. This water-repellent quality, combined with their webbed feet, makes them well suited for water-related activities like swimming and water rescue, a trait inherited from their Newfoundland and St. Bernard ancestors. However, in heavy rain or prolonged water exposure, the coat can still become wet, especially if not properly maintained. Regular brushing helps maintain the coat's natural oils, enhancing its water-repellent properties. The drying process uses an extremely powerful warm jet of air to rapidly dry and remove the undercoat. During this procedure, you will see large amounts of hair thrown into the air. The Leonberger is a majestic, gentle giant that combines strength, loyalty, and a loving disposition. With the proper care, training, and attention to their health, they make exceptional family companions and versatile work dogs. Their size and grooming needs require commitment, but their affectionate nature and versatility make them a rewarding addition to the right home. The Leonberger has a lion-like appearance. Their mane and majestic presence earn them the nickname Lion Dog. Beyond companionship, the Leonberger has a working role and excels in therapy work, search and rescue, and water rescue due to their gentle nature, intelligence, and physical capabilities. The Leonberger is not suitable for people with small living spaces, limited time for grooming or exercise, or those unable to manage a large, strong dog. You have been watching for only a few minutes. However, now over 2.5 hours washing and drying, the remaining time will be spent removing unwanted fur by brushing out all over. Nails will be clipped, and cutting fur between the paws is very important to maintain the dog's welfare. This will take the total groom to over 3 hours of non-stop work.
You're on.
The Leonberger's dog groom is now almost complete. This is the very first video on this YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed it, we'd really appreciate you could show your support by subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and sharing this video with other people. And don't forget, leave a comment below. We'll always reply to every single one. And there we are. The Leonberger dog groom is now fully complete. As per the customer request, minimum clipping has taken place, leaving the dog as natural as possible. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you next time in another episode.